This is Plateau English Online.
This is Plateau English Online.
Welcome to Plateau English Online.
Welcome to Plateau English Online.
Welcome to Plateau English Online.
Kitchen,
kitchen,
onion,
onion,
pepper,
pepper,
potato,
potato,
tomato,
tomato,
rice,
rice,
spoon,
spoon,
knife,
knife,
pot,
pot,
cook,
cook,
cut,
cut,
smell,
smell,
taste,
taste, I am hungry. Should we make some dinner?
I am also hungry. Yes, let's make some dinner.
Okay. Maybe we should go to the kitchen.
Okay, let's go.
Okay.
Devin, let's make some rice. Will you hand me the pot?
Yes. Here is the pot.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Let's cook the rice.
Okay.
Will you give me the spoon?
Okay.
Thank you. I want to taste the rice. It is delicious.
Devin, will you cut this pepper?
Sure. I will cut this pepper. What do you want me to cut next?
Will you cut this onion?
Of course.
You need to peel it. Will you cut this tomato?
No, I'm tired. Will you cut it?
Okay. Will you cut these potatoes?
Of course. will you hand me a knife?
Okay.
Thanks.
Now I will boil the potatoes.
Okay.
First, I will add water. Now I will turn on the stove. The potatoes smell good.
Yeah, they smell very good.